Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sandra from Makesales, and today I'll be taking you on a quick guide on how to upload your product. Now, after you have logged into your account, you have to navigate down to the product button on the left hand side of your screen, and then you click on it. When the page is displayed, you get to see various instructions as regards uploading your product. And if you have uploaded any product before, they get to be displayed like this. So now for this tutorial, since we'll be uploading a new product, you click on the add product button, which is at the upper right hand side of your screen. And when you click on it, you get the option of either a single upload or a bulk upload. For this tutorial, I'll be having a single upload. You click on the single upload button, and the page is displayed where you can fill out all the necessary information as regards the product that you would like to upload. So now the first will be to upload the product name. And if you had created a collection before, you can just click here to add that product to a collection. But if you have not created a collection before, you can create a new collection using this tab below. So because you have created a collection before, you just click on the collection, which is gown. Now, the beautiful thing about the Makesales platform is that you can use the AI feature to generate your product description instead of manually doing that. So I would click on that. So while it's typing out everything, I can proceed to filling out other informations as regards inventory, available stock. So this part says maintain unlimited stock. So if you have this product unlimited, you can click on it. So you do not have to put the available quantity for it. But for this tutorial, let's say we have just 15 of this particular item, and then you get to fill in the weight of the item. Also, if you have a return policy, you can include that here for the product. On this part, you get to fill in the base price for the product. It's already selected as Nigerian Naira. And also, if you like to include a discount, you could click here. You get the option of choosing either you want to put a flat or a percentage discount. And the next thing would be to upload the product image by clicking here. So when you have selected the image that you want to use, it appears cropped, and you get the option of removing the background if you would like. And if you want to upload the full image, you click on the use image directly button. And also for an item that you're uploading, if they come in different variants in terms of size, color, you can impute that over here. So let's say this particular item comes in different colors. You could put the option name, which is color, and then you put the available values, which are red. Now, for you to separate each individual values, you get to use the comma button. So once you click on the comma, it separates it and stores that particular value. And we have this in green. By separating it, you click on your comma button, and then we have in white. You click your comma button again to separate them. Once you are done doing that, you ensure you press the confirm option, and just like that you have your variants for colors. If you want to add other variants in for sizes too, you can do that. Once you are done, you press confirm, and another tab is open for you to put in more variations. Now, after you're done filling out all those information, you can go back to the part where our AI generated our information for us, and then you go through it. When you have gone through it and you see that everything is to your liking and every information is correct, you ensure that you also preview all other informations to see that they are correct and everything was filled properly. Once everything has been confirmed, you click on the publish product. Once that is done, you get to see the products that you have uploaded over here. And just like that, you have successfully uploaded a product. That will be all for now. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.